Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my video. Welcome back to the rebuild series. Hope you guys are doing well today. We're coming up near to the end of February, of course, this week. March is going to be in the weekend, so it's going to be pretty phenomenal, of course. Well, one thing is because if you guys are into racing, Formula One is going to start this weekend, so it's going to be fun. And also, I believe WEC, the World Dirt Championship, starts this weekend. I don't know. I have to look it up as well. But I'm really excited for that, of course, for the week. But also, just want to show you guys what we did. We'll share you guys what we did last week, of course. I did was gonna make another video about it, but I didn't. So lazy me, didn't do that that week. But also want to show you guys some things, of course, such as the Lexus. I did talk about that in the video that I was gonna show you guys the pictures, such as this one. But yeah, the Lexus had been finished. The Lexus has been picked up by the customer. And the other thing right now for this car is just pretty much supplement. Well, I'm saying that it's because mostly, of course, the insurance didn't pay that much for other damages that had been seen by the appraiser. So, pretty much we're just working on that. But now the car has the customer has his car back. Everything went smoothly as well. The bumper to the interference, well, to installing everything back in together, check everything properly works, to signal lamps to all that stuff, even to the sensors, of course, which had park assist and all that stuff. Mostly, of course, the car had been mostly had been not read since the accident had occurred, or as well as taking off the stuff, all the parts off, and mostly posting warning things to don't do this, stop the vehicle, or go to a local Lexus dealership to fix that. But once we put the bumper back in, the parking assist, all the sensors and connections back into the car, connected, planted well, everything's good to go. Mostly, I took a drive down to the street of here and just go like 40 miles. And once it did, the computer kind of reached itself and it basically went back all into normal, which is pretty cool on these type of new cars to resets itself and everything's like saying that everything's good, nothing really happened. But yeah, all this stuff as well. So as well, other things that we installed again, or things that we did was resprayed the two fenders, of course, a little bit of the hood and the front bumper as well as add order two new fender flares because the older fender flares, one has been scratched and the other one has been broken, had a broken tab that connects to the bumper. So most of those were they need to be ordered to replace. And man, those moldings were really expensive by Lexus. I think it was 120 per each for each molding, so it's pretty crazy. But really easy and really simple to install those things as well. So those are things for Lexus. These are the things that I talked about last week. Um, as well for last week, the car had been primered. Now it's been painted. The doors, the bumper, everything had been installed now. I didn't take a photo on that today. Today I'm showing how the car came out, but I'll show more things tomorrow. More things when I get a photo and show you guys this week, of course. But also this is how it was when it's been primer, all the bodywork, all the stuff that it was in. It just been in now in the replay mode. So it's like the best bet to show. So we got this part, of course. My dad primed this out. Got his employees to do the body work, do all the stuff, get everything prepped, and as well as get everything primered up for getting set for the paint. So everything went well for this side, very clean on that side here in the middle part, as well as the other part here too. And pretty much that's it. But I will share more photos in the early next later this week of what I'm talking about, all the things we installed. This one, of course, is record. Uh, hit in the rear end pretty hard. But someone bought this from salvage auction, so we're just rebuilding. Well, kind of considering reshaping everything back in to get in place. So so we're just doing that stuff as well. There'll be more on other videos here about talking about this car. So yeah, this could be some other things. Another one, 1995 Chevy Silverado. This is the 350 SS, which my cousin told me to explain that the if you get a 350 SS, which was a uh, two door cab, two and big. Well, I don't know. I bet it's not that pretty big, but pretty much the 350 SS. You only get the stickers on the trunk. I mean on the bed, which another side shows, but this side not, and as well it's just only the bumper. So there's nothing really cool about it, but it's a pretty cool car. It's something that my dad actually owned when he was young. that he owned a Silverado, and it was a pretty cool car. Of course, I didn't get to see it. Of course, I was when he was young, and I was not even born yet. So it was a pretty cool story that he told me about that stuff. But mostly, of course, what I was trying to show you guys is this place right here of the bed had been hit, and basically we would just repair it and get this side of the bed resprayed and repainted, of course. And it had a dirty white, so we cleared it. Had like a little dirty white color, of course. One is basically, of course, this car. This car of this Silverado was burgundy. It was not actually white the first time, so it's mostly now white. So this is resprayed back to white, and as well this spot here, the customer had this for a while since the body work done to the cab, so it just had the primer and sanded ready to be painted. So this which has been waited. This is when on inside the spray room when it was about to get taped and put paper on it and be surrounded. Yeah, that cat. Yeah, my cat. This cat always loves going to people's cars and just sleep. Yeah, so he always do that for some reason. Hopefully, I do have a picture of that on the Silverado, but not one. But this one, little cameo. You're always gonna do it. I might post some pictures of that when he does something crazy as well. I think I don't have one. If I do, let me see. Let's see. Boop. I think not. Oh wait, I think because I went to videos. I don't know. I think I didn't upload a photo, or if I did not. Boop, 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 boop. Wow, I didn't do it. Wow, unbelievable. I didn't even do it. I didn't even. I thought I did record or put a file on the things I did, or put a file on the picture when the car has been paid and resprayed already. But obviously, of course, this white, well, I kind of wanted to just make it as a visual aid to imagine. All this was just resprayed to another white that's more cleaner, much nicer, of course. So pretty much it makes it a little bit nicer. Got the bed, of course, making more shiny. Even this side as well had been painted as well, so to make it a little bit, kind of stand out and make it the same. So yeah, but everything went well. Everything's looked cool, and yeah, some things that we did last week, of course. Sorry that it kind of took some time that I thought I had the photos for the car, but I didn't. So lazy me didn't do that. So, but anywho, just want to show you guys all this stuff we did, of course, this last week as well. We got more things coming up this week, of course. Showing some other things, other rebuilds that we're doing here and there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like this little long video about it. If you guys do like these videos, subscribe if you guys are new, and drop a like. I always be appreciated at that. And to see more any content like this, of course, what I said, subscribe, see more to see to get updates, and also look at the other videos we have throughout the channel. But as always, hope you guys have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next one.